ikaze muri studio za Ishuri TV. Uyu ni umwanya tubagezaho amasomo agiye atandukanye nk'uko mumaze kubimenyera. Uyu munsi turakomeza n'igice cya gatatu cya Basic Electronics. Uyu munsi turiga kuri Ohm's Law. Turareba byinshi byerekeranye na Ohm's Law. Hagati aho tubanje kubasuhuza mwese aho muherereye. By'umwihariko turasuhuza Jean Nzitunga guturuka muri kaminuza y'u Bujumbura. Gubwa neza. Turasuhuza abanyeshuri biga muri Cefatec, by'umwihariko Engineer Jean Marie muri workshop electronique. Turagusuhuje. Tubararikira gukomeza gukora like, share na subscribe kugira ngo amasomo tugiye kujya tubagezaho mujye muyabonera ku gihe. Murakoze. Nk'uko twabibabwiye tugiye kureba kuri Ohm's Law. Ohm's Law, turareba voltage ko ingana na current times resistor. Then iyi niyo main formula ya Ohm's Law. Aha ni ukuvuga ngo volte igira unit yitwa volts. Voltage is its unit is volts. Then current, unit of current is amps or ampere. Resistor, its unit is ohms. Then here we are looking voltage. When voltage is increased, current will be also increased. Cyangwa se voltage iyo yiyongereye na current iriyongera. Iyo ni principe ya Ohm's Law, nicyo bishatse kuvuga. Then iyo resistance yiyongereye, current iragabanuka. Aha ngaha reka turebe example dukoresheje resistance ya ohm enye na volte 12. Then here the current will be equal to voltage over resistor. Here you see voltage is, as we saw above, voltage is equal to current times the resistor. So we have 12, which is equal to current times 4. Then the current will be equal to 3 amps or 3 amperes. Next example, we have a resistor in series. You see we have voltage of the whole circuit with 3 resistance. We have voltage of 60 voltage. So first resistor is equal to 3 ohms, second is 4 ohms, then the third one is 5 ohms. So we are going to calculate current will passing through this resistor, the total resistor. We know, if you remember, resistor in a series, we have to make a sum. So total resistor will be equal to first resistor plus second plus third. So if you take 4 plus 3 plus 5 will be equal to 12 ohms. So voltage, as we saw above, is current times resistor, which is equal to 60 volts will be equal to current times 12 resistor. You see, this 12 is the sum of these 3 resistance. So if we make this equation of a common denominator of 12 of this resistor, you see how we get current which is equal to 16 over 12, which will be equal to 5 amperes. So I think you are looking how to make a current passing through this resistor. Here we are going to calculate the current will passing through each resistor. If you remember, in previous studies, we saw that the resistor connected in series, the current passing through them is the same, while the voltage is different. Now we are going to calculate voltage will passing through each resistor. You see, voltage passing through the first resistor will be equal to current, which is 5, then times resistor, which will be equal to 5 times 3 equal to 15 volts. Then voltage passing through the second resistor will be equal to current times R2, which will be equal to 5 times 4, which is equal to 20 volts. Then now you can also calculate the voltage passing through the third resistor. You see is current times third resistor, which is equal to 5 ohms, which will be equal to 25 voltage. Cause is 5 ampere times 5 ohms, which is equal to 25. So you see the voltage passing through first resistor, the voltage passing through second resistor, and the voltage in third resistor. If you make a sum of 25 plus 20 plus 15, the sum will be equal to 60 volts. So then next example, we are going to see how to calculate by using this resistor in parallel. We are going to see how to make a calculation of Ohm's law, how to make current, voltages, and so on. If you remember, in parallel, the current passing through resistance, the current is different, but the voltage are the same, is what we saw in previous studies. So here we have a circuit which has a supply voltage, and you have 12 DC voltage supplying this circuit. Then you have first resistor, second resistor, and third resistor. First resistor has 3 ohms, second one has 4 ohms, and the third one has 6 ohms. Now you see these resistors are in parallel, and you remember the voltage in parallel are the same. So voltage 1 is equal to current passing through the first resistor times first resistor. Now we have 12 DC voltage, which is equal to V1, then times current times first resistor, which is equal to 3. Now we have voltage and we have resistor. Now we are calculating the current. Now you see, you will take voltage over resistor, which we will get 4 amperes. You see, next, second voltage 2 is equal to 12 times current times resistor, which is equal to 4. Now we will take 12 over 4, which is equal to 3 amperes. The current passing through second resistor will be equal to 3 amperes. Now for the third, here you see where the resistor is increased, the current was decreased. Example, here for the first resistor we had resistor of 3, then the current was 4. Second resistor was 4, then current becomes 3. Third resistor we had 6, while the current was decreased until 2 amperes. So you see that when the resistor increase, the current decrease. You see, now for the whole circuit we are going to calculate total current. Total current in parallel, you see, current total is equal to first current plus second current plus third one. You make a sum of these currents. You see, we have 9 amperes. 4 plus 3 equal to 7 plus 2 equal to 9. Now, the current passing through first resistor is equal to 4, and the total current passing through the whole circuit is 9 amperes. So you see, in Ohm's law, we have 3 main properties, which is voltage, current, and resistor. While resistor, its unit is ohm. Voltage, its unit is volts, while current, its unit is amps or amperes. Then you have to remember to make its unit according to the result you are getting. So the voltage in parallel are the same, while current is different. In series, voltage is different, while current is the same through all resistors. So you see that Ohm's law is not complicated, it is not hard to understand. I think you understand for in this video we gave you. So don't forget that while the voltage is, when the current increase, voltage decrease, resistor decrease. Uko voltage zizamutse, resistance ziragabanuka, cyangwa se uko resistance zizamutse, current zikagabanuka. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for getting more videos on Issue TV. Thank you for watching. So Ohm's law, voltage is equal to current times resistor. Then twabonye ibintu byinshi bigiye bitandukanye. Hanyuma twabonye ko unit of voltage is volts. Unit of current is amps or amperes. Then unit of resistor is ohms. Then icyo twabonye mutagomba kwibagirwa nuko when voltage increase, iyo voltage yazamutse na current irazamuka. Then iyo resistance yazamutse, current iramanuka. Iyi niyo principe ya Ohm's law. So aha twari turi kureba Ohm's law, twabonyemo ibintu byinshi bitandukanye, tubibutsa ko tuzajya tubagezaho amasomo agiye atandukanye, tubibutsa gukora like, share na subscribe kugira ngo mujye mubonera amasomo ku gihe. Murakoze cyane.